Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hey, if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. We're the best place to go to for videos like you're about to watch. And what I have for today is the Throttle Tamer from G2 Ergonomics. What these are designed to do is smoothen out the power delivery on your motorcycle, whether you're on a motocross bike, on a motocross track, if you're trail riding, doing technical, slower riding, or even on dual sport bikes. If you wish you could just have a smoother power delivery from the initial crack of the throttle all the way through, that's what these are designed to do. These are made from 6061 aluminum, so they're high quality, they're strong. What's nice too though is that if you do run, say, full wraparound handguards, the end on these is removable. You can just pop it right out to still run full wraparound handguards without having to modify it. And they're just gonna replace your stock throttle tube. You don't have to get new housing, new throttle cables, none of that. You just take the one you have off now, put this on, go ride, have a good time. But here's what's cool about these. The way that they smoothen out the power delivery is in the shape of their cams. So when you look at all these, you notice that they have a pretty unique cam shape. In fact, these two right here are for the same motorcycle. They're for Honda bikes. And if you just look at it, you can see how drastically different the shape is with these cams. And so what happens is that on average, they say that their throttle cam is about 20% smaller than the stock, and you notice the pretty unique shape. What this does, it changes the ratio of when you twist the throttle from the amount that you're twisting the throttle to the power delivery from the motorcycle. So now with their cams, what they're designed to do is as you crack the throttle, you're still twisting the grip the same amount, but you're not getting as much power from the engine to the rear wheel. So it allows you to still be just as aggressive as you normally would be, but instead of getting that really hard hit and having the engine be possibly too aggressive, it's not gonna come on as strong and it smoothens out that power delivery. What's nice though is that at about half throttle, well, the size of the cam really ramps up to where you're gonna get about the same throw, which I mean from completely closed to wide open. That distance is gonna be about the same as your stock throttle tube because of the way that that ramps up. So if you're a motocross rider and maybe you're on a 450 and you struggle with arm pump because as you get tired, that 450 power just becomes too much, it's too aggressive off the bottom. If you're trail riding, maybe your bike feels like it's a little bit too jerky, it's too aggressive when you're trying to just maybe get over obstacles, things like that, this can really help out with that. It's a simple way to change the engine characteristic of your motorcycle, but you're not detuning your engine by any means. You're still getting the same amount of power. It's just bringing that power on slower and more progressively. So these are very popular. Don't take my word for it. Go read rider reviews, like I said, for dirt bikes, trail riding, dual sport riding. All different riders of all different disciplines like to use these. Now, I will point out that the cam obviously looks a little bit different depending on what bike these are for. Some of them, evenly like this one right here, it looks round on the outside, but then you have this channel here on the inside. And if Nick was able to with the camera, he'd zoom in, kind of hard to see, but when you get to the inside of this channel, the shape inside there is definitely not round. It does the same thing as what I just showed you. So again, for riders that are struggling with the power delivery and you want to smoothen out that character, you want to be able to twist the throttle and not have the power be so abrupt, you want it to be more progressive, that's what these are designed to do. If you do have questions though, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. To grab one, it's very simple. All you gotta do is just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com or just click the link down below in the description. And when you're on our webpage, just make sure, because again, have these for a lot of different bikes, enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have. That will ensure that you do get the proper fitment. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And one more time, please, if you like these videos, subscribe and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.